Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today in the second video in our I-55 series, we begin at mile marker 24 in Tangipahoa Parish, Louisiana. Here, US Highway 51 runs concurrent with I-55 for now. This is the oldest section of I-55 in Louisiana, dating back to the early 1960s and known as the Ponchatoula-Hammond Bypass. Between 1988 and 1989, this part of the highway was reconstructed at a cost of $8.1 million. We enter the city of Ponchatoula, which had an estimated population of 7,369 as of 2019. Ponchatoula has been home to the annual Louisiana Strawberry Festival held every April since 1972. The Strawberry Festival is the second largest event in the state after Mardi Gras. During the 1980s, antique shops began opening in empty commercial buildings along the city's main street, earning Ponchatoula the nickname America's Antique City. Today, 6 of these antique shops still continue to operate. Ponchatoula is home to the Grammy-winning singer Irma Thomas, the Soul Queen of New Orleans. At exit 28, the concurrency with US 51 ends as it heads north into Hammond. We cross into the Hammond city limits at the overpass. Hammond is the largest city in Tangipahoa Parish, with an estimated population of 21,359 as of 2020. A major crossroads, US 51 and US 190 have a junction in Hammond, along with I-12 and I-55, which connect at a cloverleaf interchange just ahead. Southeastern Louisiana University is located in Hammond. SLU is one of the city's largest employers, established in 1925 as Hammond Junior College. Southeastern was one of the fastest growing colleges in Louisiana in the 1990s and is now the third largest in the state with 14,298 students enrolled as of fall 2019. Exit 31 accesses US Highway 190, which runs east-west across Louisiana parallel to I-12 and I-10. Hammond is to our right and the town of Albany is to our left. Ahead we see a diamond interchange that connects to Wardline Road and has become a major point of access for Southeastern Louisiana University. This interchange was added to I-55 and opened in 1998. I-55 north of I-12 had fallen into disrepair by the end of the 20th century and topped a Reader's Digest list of the 7 worst roads in America in 2010. Between 2008 and 2011, a major overhaul of I-55 from I-12 to the Mississippi state line took place, adding a new top surface of asphalt and making for a smooth ride. All of I-55 in the state is a designated hurricane evacuation route for residents of southeast Louisiana. During an emergency, contraflow lane reversal may be instituted to facilitate movement of traffic out of the area. We pass through the unincorporated community of Natalbany, named for the Natalbany River. Natalbany had an estimated population of 2,908 as of 2019. Exit 36 leads to the village of Tickfaw, a Choctaw name meaning rest among the pines. As of 2020, Tickfaw had a population of 806 people. Tickfaw was founded in 1852 by Italian immigrants and continues to have a distinct Italian-American heritage to this day. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the new super thanks button if you enjoy our videos. Exit 40 leads to Louisiana Highway 40 in the town of Independence. Originally called Uncle Sam, Independence began in 1852 when the New Orleans, Jackson, and Great Northern Railroad began operating through the area. Independence was incorporated as a town in 1912. As of 2019, Independence had an estimated population of 1,893. Independence has a Sicilian Heritage Festival every year the second weekend in March. The town has sometimes been referred to colloquially as Little Italy, and Italian expatriates began settling here as early as the 19th century. We enter the town of Amite City, which had an estimated population of 4,436 as of 2019. Amite City was chartered in 1855 and incorporated as a town in 1861. The Gullet Gin Company opened in Amite in 1869 and was the largest producer of cotton gins in the South. The company closed in 1969. Amite is a major oyster processing center and is home to the annual Springtime Oyster Festival. We conclude today's video at mile marker 48. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.